ScreenHits on your new Cayenne, you must have first an activated Porsche account and be logged in to your My Porsche app. Now select Vehicle Details, then Functions tab, scroll down, and select PCM Services. Now scroll down again and select ScreenHits TV or Video. Select Redeem Now. At this point, you'll go through the legal information and then select Continue. You'll now be redirected to ScreenHits TV website to create a username and password. Ask you about the cookies. Select the settings that are appropriate for you. Now enter your first name, last name, email, and then create a password. Select Confirm and Continue. Thank you for redeeming your voucher, and then select Continue. Now let's start on the PCM. Scroll down and find the icon that says Video. Select the ScreenHits TV logo. Now it's going to ask you if you would like to remain logged into your ScreenHits account in the future. Select Do Not Show Again and Yes. Now take your mobile device and open the camera. Hold it over the QR code and select the yellow link. You'll now enter the username and password you just created and select Login. You'll see the account you just created in the center. Select it. Now you're logged into ScreenHits on your new Cayenne. Now you can log into your streaming services. There are a wide variety of streaming services available through ScreenHits. To log in, select the streaming service and then select Login on that screen. Now enter your username or email. Select Continue, and now enter your password for that account. Select OK, and then log in. You now have that full streaming service to enjoy in your new Cayenne.